All together now. 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 All together.
Our local here in Anchorage has endorsed two candidates. We have endorsed Ethan Berkowitz and we have endorsed Mark Begich for House and Senate respectively.
We were one of the early supporters of Mark Begich. The Machinists Union identified his abilities early on. He's been a friend of labor in the past, and you can't have too many friends in positions of power.
Our membership feels that we need someone in the Senate that represents working families, workers' needs. Mark has stated that he fully supports the Employee Free Choice Act, and we need the ability to make things easier for folks to unionize at non-unionized locations, especially for us in the airline industry where subcontracting to non-union work, driving down wages and benefits has been prevalent amongst the airline industry, and Mark's support of the Employee Free Choice Act was one of the very large factors that gave our membership the desire to endorse his candidacy and get him into office.
One of the races that we're most concerned about is the senatorial race here in Alaska. I personally have worked with Mark Begich as the mayor of Anchorage, as a member of the Coalition of Municipal Unions. I found Mark to be a straight shooter, genuinely concerned about the workforce and working families, and think that he is our only choice here in the state of Alaska.
I just want to emphasize to all of our fellow members that we work with that this election is crucial to their lives as working people.
All together now. All together now.